for help, then we only think about ourselves, oh yeah. The first time that I met you, I thought it looked so sweet. I stood around for the hills, beating a retreat. And when I heard you talking with that alluring sound, should have recalled the sirens and how that things went down. Living on the trenches, looking for a way to escape. You always cut me down like a dreamer's with the grapes. But never mind how I tried to leave you behind. I kept falling in your net. Oh, I've been so blind. But I know for sure the day will come when you first realize what have you done, and you finally get your debt repaid and revenge is served on a cold plate. And you hear the roar of the shutdown when the world will stop without a sound. And the moment you will cry for help, and we only think about ourselves, oh yeah. About ourselves. About ourselves. But I know for sure the day will come when you first realize what you have done, and you finally get your debt repaid and revenge is served on a cold plate, oh yeah.